Where is the largest coral reef in the world? One of Australia's most remarkable natural treasures. The Great Barrier Reef is renowned for its breathtaking beauty as the world's largest coral reef, stretching over 2,300 kilometers, 1,429 miles along Australia's northeastern coast. The Great Barrier Reef is home to over 9,000 known species, with many more yet to be discovered. This incredible biodiversity makes the reef vital for tourism and the Australian economy, attracting at least 1.6 million visitors annually. However, the reef's true value lies in its rich biodiversity, which goes far beyond its economic impact. The Great Barrier Reef consists of about 3,000 individual reefs, each teeming with life. Familiar species such as dolphins, turtles, crocodiles, and sharks inhabit the reef, alongside venomous sea snakes, brightly colored worms, and large algae. These species form a complex and delicate ecosystem dependent on the coral reef for survival. Unfortunately, this intricate ecosystem is now gravely at risk. Coral is composed of many small animals that build a hard external skeleton, forming the vibrant structures we recognize. Healthy coral has a symbiotic relationship with algae, which provide food and oxygen through photosynthesis. In return, the coral protects the algae with fluorescent chemicals that act like sunscreen. The algae also give coral its many colors. Coral and algae have evolved to thrive within a specific temperature range. As sea temperatures rise due to climate change, algae start producing toxins that the coral expel, leading to a process called bleaching, which turns the coral white. A 2018 study revealed that about 1/3 of the Great Barrier Reef had suffered significant bleaching. The researchers found that large amounts of coral died almost immediately in the warming water, even before expelling their algal partners, indicating greater risks from climate change than previously thought. Climate change is not the only threat to the reef. Chemical runoff, pollution, coastal development, and overfishing all harm coral and reduce biodiversity. Large storms, such as cyclones, also pose a threat. Additionally, species like the crown-of-thorns starfish, Acanthester plansii, can cause severe damage. These venomous starfish voraciously eat coral, and their population spikes periodically, contributing to over half of the reef damage from 1985 to 2012, according to some scientists. Fortunately, many people are dedicated to protecting the Great Barrier Reef. National Geographic explorer Dr. Erica S. Woolsey, CEO of the non-profit organization The Hydrus, conducts research on coral reefs. The Hydrus uses virtual reality to create 3D models of reef specimens, allowing scientists to study the reef's damage over time without diving. This innovative approach enables people worldwide to contribute to reef conservation. Is there still hope for the Great Barrier Reef? Many are making determined efforts to help, and there are actions you can take at home. Fighting climate change is crucial, and efforts like the Paris Climate Agreement, signed by 195 countries in 2015, aim to reduce carbon emissions. You can support these efforts by contacting your representatives to advocate for climate action. Personal lifestyle changes also make a difference. Using less energy, producing less waste, choosing environmentally friendly products, and staying informed all contribute. Eating locally sourced foods reduces carbon emissions from transportation. If you visit the reef, you can even become a citizen scientist and collect data for researchers. In a 2017 presentation, Dr. Woolsey emphasized the importance of protecting reefs. Coral reefs provide food and livelihoods for hundreds of millions of people around the world, protect shorelines from erosion, and contain compounds used to treat human ailments. Even though they cover less than 1% of the seafloor, they harbor about a quarter of all marine biodiversity. Discover more about Australia's greatest natural wonder, the Great Barrier Reef.